Assalamualaikum and have a good day to our DRO 1132 lecturer, Madam Zarifah binti Syahri. Our group consists of 5 people, Nur Akila Naili binti Fizam Shah, RO 21238, Afnan Badri bin Badrul Naim, RO 21090, Ramiza Shaza binti Abdul Rahman, RO 21234, Akil Arfan bin Zaidi, RO 21191, and lastly Muhammad Daniel Arif bin Muhammad Rizal, RO 21080. Aneka Industry Company is a manufacturer chemical company that need the database system. As we all know, database system is a system for maintaining unique records on chemical compound are termed as registration system. These are often used for chemical indexing, patent system, and industrial database. So, why this company really need the database? Because this database will help this company to reduce the rate of accident that involve chemicals in the risk assessment document. In order to prevent same accident or injury happen many times in the company. So, this chemical register really needed for this purpose.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Norakila Naili binti Fizam Shah. My ID matrix are 021238. I am from Group 4. We from the Laboratory Chemical Company would like to talk about how we have a database system in our project. There is a report regarding our projects that we will go through. Chemicals in the laboratory are the focus of our projects. A laboratory chemical company is a chemical factory. Our products will be created with the chemical specified below. We compile a list of chemicals utilized in our company to aid in our product research and development. These findings were gathered from supplier safety data sheets. This refers to the chemicals that our company uses as raw materials in order to create a product. This supplier firm is really useful to us in buying the chemicals that our organization actually requires. There are 30 types of suppliers mentioned here. Their suppliers provide substances that are both listed and legal. So we acquire chemicals from their source because we trust them. Thank you for listening me.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Akil Arfan. My matric ID number is RO21191. Okay, first of all, from the Essential Chemical Industry website, I found the list of chemical and how much is usage. Based on the table, we can analyze which chemical are high usage and low usage. As we can see, acetone is used 100% in solvent to manufacture plastic, followed by chloroform, which use 99.9% in making pesticide, and tetrahydrofuran in coating. While the lowest usage of chemical hydrofluoric acid, which only use 2% in plastic production. Same goes to potassium ferrocyanide, also use 2% in remove the heavy metal content.
Assalamualaikum and have a good day to everyone. My name is Ramiza Shaza from Group 4. My matric ID is RO21234. First thing first, we already know that the purpose of this database is to measure the use of chemicals and the procedure that contain in each hazard chemicals. So, based on the chemical list that we state, we already extract the data from safety data sheet we all know as SDS that available in storage and how to use the safe and risk and safety measure to deal with such a risk in order to identify what is the hazard and risk of the chemical. Then analyze what type of hazard will happen from the chemical, such as irritant, corrosive, carcinogenic, sensitizers, and flammable. All these chemical hazards I already list out here. So, from this table, we can analyze and evaluate the risk association with hazard. From list 1 to 30, we should able to know either the chemical used in lab, factory or site. To manage the risk, hazard must be the first one to identify. Then, the risk should be evaluated and determined to be tolerable or not to the worker or anybody in the factory. Thank you and
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afnan Badri Vivudun Naim. My ID is R021090. Based on the list of chemical, I have classified the number of workers that been exposed to the chemical hazard and risk. This is based on the working site and job descriptions of every workers. These numbers considering 50 staffs including the supervisor and plant workers in total. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Dani Arif bin Muhammad Rizal. My metric number is RO21080. First of all, I'm gonna explain why this table have a bar chart and why second table have pie chart. In this table, we can see list of chemical and number of worker. To make it easy to looking, we make a bar chart to calculate number of worker who has the higher chemical hazard and lowest chemical. As we can see, the bar chart is make us easy to look who the higher chemical who has a number of worker and lowest chemical. In this second table, we can see a pie chart. The pie chart, we make a pie chart because make us clear to see what chemical are higher and chemical are lowest. We use pie chart to see a percent of chemical and their number of worker. As we can see, sodium azide is a 6% of number of worker, and the actonitrile is 6% of number of worker. The highest chemical is sodium hydroxide, is 89%. We can look in this pie chart. That's all. Thank you.